Here's your own optimized solution: AC/DC Getaway Smart Meter. The Sensway meter is available for both AC and DC and multi-channel meters with multiple meters built into one meter. It also has getaways, web servers, and data loggers embedded, avoiding the hassle of dealing with various equipment, enabling environmental sensor connections in addition to electrical sensors, and supporting various communication methods. The distribution panel installation of the product first connects the power cable to the meter, and then the current sensor cable to the meter. The DC distribution panel can be installed in the same way with the DC current sensors. Sensway provides a unique UI for customers who want to set up as desired. Power usage can be checked at once through the web and mobile. Warning alarms are sent by mail and text in case of power failure. The ID automatic recognition feature allows you to modify the line connection error and remotely control the electrical device on and off. Realize your own real-time electrical energy consumption monitoring and efficiency management through JND's Sensway.